guys, today with you AleZheK. As always, we're gonna see now the beautiful motorbike Honda CBF 1000. It's amazing bike, and we will test now the original exhaust. We will listen how it sounds, and also we get the parts and we will do the modification. We will install our new exhaust system, straight exhaust with the back killers and without. Let's see the comparison, and we will compare also the sound, and I think it's gonna be amazing. So let's see, let's start the bike. As you can hear, it's a 4-cylinder engine in line. The sound is quite nice, and the volume, you can feel the volume of the sound. But with the stock exhaust, unfortunately, you cannot hear the spirit of this bike. You know, you need some drive, you need to have some special feelings, you know. You can hear closer here. It's not a big difference, it's completely killing the sound. Okay, let's remove it now, and let's see how much the total weight of the exhaust system, and then we will compare with the weight of our new exhaust system which we're gonna install, and of course we will do the installation, and then we will test the bike. Oh guys, this is fucking amazing. Look, it's completely stuck inside, and the clamp was completely rusty. It just get broken when I tried to unscrew it. So now we remove it. Look at the clamp, it's completely broken. Ancient but beautiful bike. We're gonna make a complete weight of 2 pieces, so we can compare after with a new exhaust system. Wow guys, finally I managed to break another bolt. It was completely rusty. The force you need to use is unbelievable. Now we should be able to remove it. Basically, let's see. Okay. Oh, look here. There is a kind of groove inside, so you cannot remove. Only you need to break. It was completely rusty. It's not so old bike, but you know, sometimes we have challenges, but afterwards we should have good reward. Okay, guys, look. Now we're gonna check my weight. Check the weights. $84, $85. And now we take these 2 pipes. 96, 97, 96. So 12 kilograms, minus 12 kilograms. Now I will show you all the 3 boxes, the weight together. So it's quite challenging because it's a big hill here, and we're trying to finalize the weight. So I will do now without. Now you see, now it's showing 92, 93, basically 91. And now I will take 2 mufflers with 2 increasers. 95, 96. 95, 96. So we can say it's around 3 to 4 kilograms instead of 12. So it's a big weight reduction. Now I will do the installation so we can see how it... Alright guys, finally we did it. We managed. It was not so easy, believe me. It was quite complicated. Make sure you have new graphite gaskets to put between the pipes and the new inserts, reducers, increasers, wherever. Because when you remove the old pipes, it's already too old and fragile, the gasket, original one, graphite with metal mesh inside. Let's try to start for first time and to hear the sound. I'm really curious. Now we have kind of Yoshimura. Wow. Let it warm up a little bit. Look here. It's quite stylish. It's not so long. We reduce a lot of weight. can consider this project successful. Thank you for staying with me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Now it's time to try. Bye bye.